Hello, ladies and gentlemen. On the line with us today is our investigative reporter, Emma Erwin, live from the Gustville Conference Center. Hello, Emma. We're eager to hear what news you have of the outcome of the Great Power Source debate at the World Conference of Young Energy Scientists. How did the various power sources end up performing?
Hello, Elliott. And well, to everyone's surprise, two power sources came out winners at the debate. Hydroelectricity and wind power. What's more, an added requirement was also taken into account. Energy efficiency has to become a top priority.
What a surprise! So what are Enercorp International's plans?
Okay, well, the plans call for a dam and wind farm to be built near Gustville. In addition, steps will be taken to promote energy efficiency. If that works as planned, Enercorp International won't have to generate as much power.
And how are the residents of Gustville and the surrounding area responding to the news?
They have questions for sure. That's why Enercorp International is going to hold a public forum where everyone with concerns about the project can come and ask Enercorp representatives for more information.
And these consultations, Emma, do they serve a purpose? Are they necessary?
Of course they do, Elliott. Even projects like these ones can disturb the natural environment. In the past, for example, wherever Enercorp International has built dams, it's had to install fishways so that fish can swim upstream. And this is thanks to public consultations.
Interesting.
The best thing would be for you to experience a public consultation yourself. Luckily, I have just sent you some footage.
Ah, Emma, you're always full of surprises. So, for all you budding reporters out there, here's your next investigation. You have to find out what happens when you go to a public consultation. It'll be a real thrill for you. And that concludes tonight's Echo Energy Squad newscast, ladies and gentlemen. Take it away, friends, and have fun!